it felt just like they were so soft. It just felt like you were in this fluffy kind of heaven. It just felt like that. I was literally feeling like Agnes in Despicable Me. Like, hey, it's so fluffy, I'm gonna die. That's how I felt.
Can't change the world. I know that I can't change the world, but maybe I'll change your mind.
Hi guys! So today I'm going to do something really fun. I'm pretty excited about it, and it's a 1-hour drive. So I first have to drive there, and then it's going to be so much fun. I'm so curious about what it's going to be like. I'm not gonna tell you what because you have to watch this video for it to check it out. And I'm going with my sister, by the way, so this will be a fun Sisters Day. And this whole month of February is going to be like every Saturday I have something fun planned, so I might make more videos about it because it's sometimes easier to film, I guess, to show what I've been doing. But yeah, that's about it. I'm very excited about today, so see you later. Bye!
We were young and we were free and running, never bothered about what could be coming. Every day we danced and life was smiling. We were young and drunk in love. A few years later I have started thinking, if it's just love in every glass I'm drinking, we're like one and without you I'm sinking. I'm always shining next to you. Oh, I got you, there's no reason to chasing pavement on my own, 'cause you're here to stay every night and day. I'm delighted 'cause I got you.
I have always been afraid of changes, but you show me life is full of faces. Sometimes clouds got in our favorite places, but we were young and unaware.
Oh, I got you, there's no reason to chasing pavement on my own, 'cause you're here to stay every night and day. I'm delighted 'cause I got you. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. I'm just fine 'cause I got you. Rain got in my way before, pouring like a waterfall. I've cried a million tears and more to find out where I belong. We're not young, but we're still free and running, and this day has never kept us bothering. Every day we dance and life's been smiling. We're not young, still drunk in love. Oh, I got you, there's no reason to chasing pavement on my own, 'cause you're here to stay every night and day. I'm delighted 'cause I got you. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la.
So I lost my voice, so I'm very sorry if this video isn't very clear. But today it was so amazing. It was like a dream come true. I don't know why alpacas could be like a dream, but they were so adorable and so cute. And I learned a lot about the animals, so that was quite fun. I'm going to write a blog about it, so you probably see this video inside of the blog, so I don't know why I'm saying this, but it doesn't matter. It was fun. And as you could see in the rest of the video, those alpacas are just alpaca. I think I pronounced it wrong, but oh, they were so cute, and I felt like I was in a happy place. And sometimes I was walking between the alpacas, and it felt just like they were so soft. It just felt like you were in this fluffy kind of heaven. It just felt like that. I was literally feeling like Agnes in Despicable Me. Like, hey, it's so fluffy, I'm gonna die. That's how I felt. So yeah, today was really amazing, and I'm really thankful to my sister who was able to arrange this for me. And thank you for the fun day. I hope you enjoyed it as well, and I hope you guys enjoyed the overload on cuteness in this video. And I also want to thank the alpaca farm in Vorstenbosch, that's in North-Brabant, here in Holland. And the people who organized this, they were so kind and gave very good information about the alpacas, and they took good care of the animals. So yeah, I definitely recommend this alpaca farm if you would like to do such a walk with alpacas. So yeah, it was fun, and I really want to do it again if it's possible, or I really want to start my own farm, but we have to wait for that for a while. But man, I enjoyed this day. So I'm going to say good night because it's like late now, but going to write a bit and edit this video. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. So bye.